Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another video guys. If you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. I'm called Nancy and I do live in South France. So guys, today I'll be showing you how do I apply rice water onto my locks. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, as you can see, this is how my locks looks like. This is my before, and I'll be applying this rice water onto my locks. Let me just do a 360 for you guys so that you may see how my hair looks like before. That is my back view. Side view and my front view guys. So let me just grab my towel, then I'll be showing you how do I apply my rice water onto my locks. So Actually, it smells terrible. So let's get started. Make sure you apply this rice water onto your scalp. It smells terrible actually. Maybe the best way is to apply some lavender oil to kill that smell. Yeah. And make sure to massage the scalp. So guys, that's how I do it, and I can't wait to try this for over a month to see how much growth I will get. So and make sure you apply it on those edges. Okay guys, so now it seems like I'm done with my entire head. Then let me just try to massage the scalp, and also I'll apply this on my tips. Yeah, that's how it is done, guys. So guys, all my scalp is fully moisturized with this with this rice water. Then let me just massage my scalp, then I'll keep my locks into a ponytail later. Yeah, and that's how it is done. But the smell is terrible, guys. Yeah, I'm done. That's how I do apply it on my locks. So let me just show you guys the back view. Side view and the front view. Guys, as you can see, this is how my hair looks like when I'm done actually. And the only thing what I've discovered is, I guess next time I'll add in some tea tree oil drops into my rice water so that I don't feel that smell, plus lavender oil, then coconut oil. So guys, let me just show you how my hair looks like when I'm actually done. So this is how my hair looks like. Side view, back view, another side view, and this is my front view. So that's how far I have gone actually. So guys, let's try it out and let me know what was your experience in the comment section below, guys. So if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel, and if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for the love and support. See you in my next video.